What's up, Todd, for Crystal Clean 123. Let me talk a little bit about swim spa or large hot tub maintenance. So when you've got a swim spa, you've got a much larger body of water. I recommend always keeping a frog in there, the at-ease system, at least one, depending on the size of the tub, open all the way to 4. This puts a little bit of smart chlor into the water all the time. You also want to make sure that you're hitting it with sanitizer 2-3 times a week, at least half a cap, usually when you get out. So what you do is you're done using it, you turn the jets on, you throw a little of this in, and of course the other things that you normally do. For a swim spa, 2 bottles of Metal Be Gone, and then weekly 4 ounces of Bright and Clear and 4 ounces of Spa Defense, okay? And then shocking it, some sanitizer, and of course filtration. You know, it's very important with a swim spa, at least 4 to 8 hours a day in filtration. So maintaining a swim spa is not difficult. It's just a bigger body of water and it needs to be treated accordingly. Thanks.